Now let me just explain this template, how it has to be filled. So here the date is 7th April 2024 and the time is 13 hour 56 minute and 13 second. The celestial body is Sun. The position latitude 36 degree 44.7 minute north, 034 degree 38.6 minute east. The gyro bearing observed is 259 degree gyro. We'll just scroll it down. The ship's heading, what we observed is 190 degree gyro, and the standard compass, the ship's compass, is showing 186 degrees compass. The variation is 5.5 degree east. Well, in order to simplify, let's put the time together. So we can write like this: 07 13 day 56 minute 13 second and month is April. Now we need to look at the almanac. So we need to go to the column of Sun, and the GHA for 7th day and 13th hour we have obtained from the almanac, which I just showed, 14 degree 30.5. Alright, and the increment we need to go to here, 56 minute and 13 second. This increment is 14 degree 03.3 minute. Well, if you remember, the declination also 7 degree 08.2 minute north, and the value of small d was 0.9, and by the way it was increasing, it was 0.8. So the declination is 7 degree 09 minute north. And here the GHA, we are able to find the GHA, which is 28 degree 33.8 minute. The value of longitude is given, which is 034 degree 38.6, and this is east, so let's strike the west. So if it is east, we got to add, and after adding I'm going to get 063 degree 12.4, and as you know that P is equal to LHA, so the value of P is equal also 063 degree 12.4 minute. Now we need to work with this 10 latitude. By the way, the value of latitude we can write here, which is 36 degree 44.7 minute north. So the value of 10 latitude, A is equal to 10 latitude, which is 10 36 degree 44.7 upon 10p, which is 10 63 degree 12.4. So the value we get is 0.377 and named opposite to latitude. So latitude is north, we name it, we keep it as south. Similarly, 10d upon sine p, so 10 declination is 10 7 degree 09 minute upon sine 63 degree 12.4 minute, so we get 0.144 south, same name as declination. So declination is north, so it is north. Let's correct this. So value of C has to be obtained, same name add, different name subtract, obviously, so different names we got to subtract, and the value of C is 0.236 south. 10 azimuth is equal to 1 upon C cos latitude, so we get 79.3 degree. Now the naming, this is as per C and this is as per LHA, which is west. southwest. The southwest, now we need to sum up. Southwest we need to convert, and then true bearing is obtained. Southwest is 70. Okay, let me just scroll it up here. This is 79.3 degree west plus 180 degree will give me 259.3 degree true. By the way, this is what it is: east, west, north, south, and this is what we obtain, and this is what we need to find out. Now the gyro bearing was 259 degree gyro. Obviously the gyro is reading low, so is 0.3 degree low. The ship's heading was 190 degree gyro, so the true heading will be 190.3 degree true, because the gyro is low, the true is more. The compass heading was 186 degree compass, and the difference between the two, if you realize, is 4.3 degree, and since the compass is least, the error is east, so error is east. The variation obtained is 5.5 degree east, so obviously the deviation, the algebraic sum, will be 1.2 degree west, and you need to compare. Now coming back to the sketch, we can draw this simple sketch, rational horizon diagram, and I have explained the entire process of rational horizon diagram in separate video. However, how to draw this? Needs to check the latitude. The latitude is 36 degree, somewhere 36 degree. So this is Z, and the entire is 90 degree, so 36 is around 1/3 of that, so somewhere here. So this is your equinoctial, and this is your latitude. QZ is the latitude. Let me just write QZ is latitude. So from Q, the pole will be somewhere here, so Q to P is 90 degree. Now let's find out the declination. The declination we obtain is 7 degree 9 minute north. So declination is also like this, somewhere here. Okay. So body is somewhere here at X, wherever it is. Maybe a little bit here. Maybe I need to choose different color. So body is somewhere here, 269 something. So this is what it is. So this is my LHA. This is LHA, which is equal to P. All right. And the sun is here, and this is what we obtained, isn't it? And of course, at the end, you need to put the ship's name, whatever, location at sea, whatever, which sea, Atlantic, the remark of the chief officer's signature, and date. That is how your activity will be performed.